And the you know, each of these drivers, they're strapped in with a 5-point safety harness and their Hans device. It's a little device that goes around their neck, on their shoulders, and clips into the back of their seat, and it supports their neck as they're making the hits and jumps. And so they don't always get out of their truck or in their truck very fast because, frankly, it's a safety thing. Here comes the champ now. So Rod, can I embarrass you a little bit? Are you all right with that? I mean, you've been around the monster truck world for how many years?
Pretty close to 30.
30 years, and let's be honest with everybody, whose truck are you driving tonight?
You know, I told a lot of people in the pit party this, and I'm not ashamed of this, that's my wife's truck. My truck is all balled up at home, motors out of it, you know, that was in like 2,500 pieces, that thing just scattered everywhere. And I love to drive, I have a passion to drive, I have a passion to entertain these great bands. And my wife was like, you know what, you drive my truck, that's a good, you know, that's awesome. And I like, hats off to her, thank you for doing that, you know, I love her with all my heart. I even put my kid up here, Cooper's sitting up there in the stands with all of his buddies. I can't thank everybody enough, you know, the fans, the people behind, you know, behind the scenes that are back here working on broken trucks. It's not easy coming from 25 below zero to 50 degrees, you know, it's really hard on everything. So hats off to these guys for doing what they can do. Hats off to Randy Schmidt, my wife, for being a great supporter, just doing what I love, you know.
Well, and listen, you've driven a lot of monster trucks, probably the biggest name, grave digger for the Anderson family, and it's pretty exciting for you to be driving a truck that you own, and now Brandy has her own truck, and you know, the interesting thing I found, I've watched Brandy develop as a driver, and you have too. I've watched her beat you a few times, and the most favorite moment I have so far today is when Brandy looked you square in the eyes and said, "Don't break my truck."
Yeah, she's taking care of that truck for almost 2 years now. That thing is like, man, she does a great job taking care of it. That's her baby. And she says, just don't do any body damage, you know. She said, definitely don't do a popper. What's the second thing I do out here is I come out here and do a popper because that's how I drive. You know, I'm on the edge. I love driving fast and crazy. And that's just, I mean, it's because of you guys. You know, you guys support us and you guys buy our merchandise. That's what makes it all real for us.
Absolutely, and we wouldn't be here without our fans right now.
That's right. Thank you guys, and we love you guys. And, you know, thanks for coming this year. Thanks for coming next year. It's all for you. Thank you.
Ron Schmidt, driver of Brandy Schmidt's Redneck Rampage. Man, you know, you spend the off-season prepping your truck and getting ready, and the off-season's only like 4 weeks maybe, and you went through that truck top to bottom, but dude, it just happens sometimes.
Yeah, it's one of those things. We run these trucks hard. Rod's a good friend of mine. Picked him up on the way down here. We were going to have some real fun tonight. This is not the way I want to go.
Well, if you don't want to go down lightly, maybe the two of you could have a foot race around the track after intermission.
Rod would really have to step it into high gear to beat me in a foot race.
Well, you got probably a 36 inseam, and I think he's got a 26 inseam, so yeah, definitely longer stripes. Well, hey, listen, this is where we're going to take that 20-minute intermission to ventilate the building for your comfort, folks. That's why it's a little chilly, because we have the exhaust fans and the door open, and it's going through to keep the air quality good. Well, the RII has been verified. Rod, take good care of your wife's truck, would you?